gives me peace. The sound helps me sleep. I play it on repeat. Never cheat, never creep. The crowd I don't need. I smile, I don't speak. I love and I leave. It's sad and it's neat. Afraid out of guilt. You saw but don't speak. A love that's unique. A fraud and a thief. You rob me of my time and my world, that's a crime. I locked you in my jail and now I don't care. I love and I weep. For days I don't eat. But now that I'm free, I'll never be that cheap. I'ma love is for me and no one else to keep. But only for my child and the others they could leave. No love given for free. I'm praying that you leave. I'm saying I don't need. I'm meant to fill my needs. I'm perfectly fine on my own, ain't no crime. And that's for me. I'm here to teach a new generation of girls to be a woman. Don't imitate the dragon. A queen thinks with a mind, not a body parts. Follow your heart. Such a waste of a good queen. Let it rain, cause the rain gave me good dreams. Yeah, the pain gave me legacy. Bad thoughts, mad thoughts, they be memory. Time to feel and lead. I'm black and beautiful, top of the gold, top of the throne. These slow life niggas can't get my soul, can make me a hoe. I'm pure like the king of a most. Time to rewrite history, no diamonds and golds. The friends and foes, true queen to the friends of those who love they bros. The blacker they go, the sweeter they know. Self-love is the key to the soul. I'm a queen, so tell these niggas scared of my throne. Princess on the throne, just like Queen Esther.
Atara.
Somebody text me say for pull up Black King.
Black King, no, tell you what now, cause time I push against me, you know. And we have to squeeze the girl look 20 minutes and thing and introduce you to the UK massive. I know a couple of them probably know you already because you're everywhere. The name Atara, oh, the name they come in. Tell me about the name Atara. What mean
What do you mean?
The name Atara. Oh, that name is an unusual name. So I'm just asking, you come by that name, yeah.
Well, you know, I'm a Black Hebrew Israelite. I don't know if you know what that is, but like, it's a Bible name. It's a Hebrew name. It means crown.
Clown.
Yeah.
Well, these music we are don't have nothing to do with clown, you know.
Crown, the crown that you wear on your head.
Oh, crown. them said their face girl I had trouble. Sorry, my bad. I thought you said clown.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're definitely a queen.
Or maybe it's my bad Jamaican accent. That's why my mother used to beat me to talk.
Yes, that for you. I know my fault. That for you. Anyway, have anybody where you want to give a shout out to, anybody where you want to big up, just tell them how them can reach you. Big up who you are, big up, and you don't know the things set already. Go on.
Okay, so shout out to all the artists that was on my Black King song, Pinalin, Love People page, Yomade Sound, and Godidi G. Big up to Snake again from Ghana. Big up to my producer that I'm working with now. He's in German. He's living here in Austria. His name is Martin. Big up to Jason Gandara. That's another producer I'm working with here. Big up Atara Empire, that's my new label. Big up my show, Western Views Freirad Radio Show in Austria every fourth Sunday now. This week we'll be having The Angel on it. Big up The Angel, big up Sonia Pattison. And you guys can find me on Instagram on Queen Atara Music, Atara Fan, and on Facebook Queen Atara and Atara Music, and on Twitter you can find me Queen Atara.
Wow.
What else? On Facebook, Spotify, everything else just Atara. And make sure you guys go and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Atara Empire Vivo. This will be releasing all my new music.
Okay, so that's all information for Atara.
And big up Emmanuel Boatin, big up the Boatin family. Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah, you finished?
And big up Pajo.
Yes.
And big up my mother, the lady that gave birth to me. How can I forget her?
Wow.
And big up Mr. DJ Buckles.
But but that's not wait, you know, for see if I got big me up, you know. And
no, you rush me. I have a long list to big up. I rush me.
Not rush you, it's just that you know, so from 6 o'clock, if you touch commercial, I'm not touch commercial. I violate, you know. I violate the rules.
Yeah, your favorite guest.
Alright, exactly. So you can't to kill me, you know. But you know, the greatest thing is that my listeners them enjoy your vibes, your music, and your energy. As a rock stone in the business, because that them say I'm a rock stone for a long time I do music. As a rock stone in the business, personally I want to tell us that the energy is right and the positivity is great, and that's where we need more artists like you, you know, if you just highlight the problem, you know, because we all have to play a part, and when most I God bless you with a talent such as people,
so nice.
People listen to you. You just have to do the right thing. There's no negativity, positivity, and that's what I love with you. And you know, I know you're gonna make it. Just keep the vibes going, and most of all, make sure some more sign of everything where you do. If I'm not it not gonna work, I can't tell you.
You didn't hear what I said.
Whenever you
in my song Queen. You didn't listen to my song Queen?
I listened to it. It's playing now.
My only goal is to see my God. I ain't gonna play the tag.
Hold on. Listen, I'm gonna sign you out in style. I want to give it a freestyle, and I'm gonna just kill it and done. Right? So over to you.
Okay, a freestyle. Oh, you put me on the spot. Okay.
No, you're talented.
If I kill it then, which song we figure now?
I don't know, you got loads in the cabinet. You have 2 minutes.
Okay. Sure, you can't do me like that. You have to make me prepare. Me never know if I will give me freestyle. Wait there.
No, man, no. Them say when you got war,
let me just drop Queen.
Alright, go
on.
Let me
drop Queen.
Yeah.
Princess on the throne, just like Queen Esther. I go hard with my flow, got the meanest rap. Let them bow to me now, with my crown and top. I got melanin, chocolate, cream, no crap. I don't have to show my body, just the prop. I be natural all the way, no fake weeds on top. Everybody looking for me, have you seen or not? Everybody looking for me, have you seen or not? We have it on the place. Yeah,
Atara.
On the place.
We love you.
Let me give you another one. Fast. Come, you ready?
Long time.
Put them to shame. Everybody wanna know my name. Now what I